You an Amazon seller in the UK? We've got a great event for you coming up in May, the Amazon Sellers Summit 2025. Hey guys, Chris Turner here from Ecommerce Intelligence. We are one of the UK's largest Amazon agencies. We are really excited to announce that we are going to be the headline sponsor for this year's Amazon Sellers Summit at 133 Houndsditch in London on the 14th of May 2025. It's going to be a huge event with some of the best e-commerce and Amazon experts talking with a whole agenda of speakers. I'm so thrilled to be doing a keynote looking at everything that we've done as an agency and really building a plan, a structure for you as a seller all around some of the work that we've done. So real life things that we've done for our clients, things that have really helped develop their businesses and their sales over the last few years, and building that into a keynote. It's going to be a superb day. Some of the team are going to be there. If you're interested, register free. Link is in the description. I strongly recommend it. It's free to come down. It is going to sell out. It's a small event, but it's going to be one of the first major premier events that we're going to build into the UK. Been run directly with Internet Retailing and RetailX. We're super happy for it. If you want to come down, again, please register. Please come down, have a chat with us in the team. You're going to learn a lot about Amazon. You'll get some help from some real Amazon experts on the day. If you've got any kind of queries or problems within your Amazon account, there'll be plenty of people there to help you. So strongly recommend it. And we'll see you on the 14th of May. It's outside and very close to Aldgate Station in London. We'll see you then.